The Dolphin Universal Pool Caddy is compatible with all residential Dolphin pool cleaners from Maytronics. Along with the ability to have stress-free storage, this caddy's lightweight and durable construction makes transporting your cleaner a breeze. This caddy provides a storage solution with grooves that help keep pressure off the robot scrubbing brushes when not in use, allowing them to maintain their form and prolong their life. The Universal Caddy is power cable management made easy. It provides a way to keep your cleaner's cable organized and out of the way. When storing your robot, make sure the cable doesn't have any kinks as you place it around the top of the caddy. Completely remove the cable from the Dolphin Caddy when the robot is in use. The caddy provides a place to store your power supply as it clicks into a designated holder. When your robot is operating, make sure that your power supply is secured on the caddy and the caddy is at least 12 feet away from the edge of the pool. Looking for an extra layer of protection for your robot and caddy? Maytronics also offers caddy covers for outdoor use or when the robot and caddy are being stored. At Easy Test Pool Supplies, we have many years of robotic pool cleaner experience. We would be happy to advise and answer any questions that you may have. Click on the link in the description to purchase or visit easytestpools.com. We thank you for watching.